everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a summer favorite. We're gonna do a creamy peppercorn blue cheese dressing that's gonna be perfect for salads. It's gonna be perfect for grilled wings. It's gonna be perfect for dipping your veggies in on your veggie tray that you're gonna take to all the barbecues you're invited to. And it's so simple, you won't even believe it. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Go over the ingredients and we're going to do this delicious cracked pepper blue cheese dressing. Of course, what you need to start off to make blue cheese dressing is some blue cheese. Go to the cheese counter at your grocery store and look for blue cheese crumbles. So that's what we're going to use today. I like my blue cheese dressing very blue cheesy. If you don't like yours that blue cheesy, cut in half. We're going to use 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of heavy cream. I like my blue cheese dressing drippable. I don't like it ploppable, if you understand what I mean. A lot of blue cheese dressing is very, very thick. I like mine a little bit on the thinner side. You make yours the way you prefer. And I have a tablespoon of my house seasoning, which is a blend of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and dry parsley. And I've also added a teaspoon of restaurant grind cracked black pepper. So it's very coarse grind. So we're gonna just go ahead and mix all of this up and make this delicious dressing. This is so simple, you guys. So you don't have to spend a lot of money buying those expensive jars of blue cheese dressing in the produce section of your grocery store. My mom, that's what she did when I was growing up. She loved like the Marie's dressing, and I love that too. It's delicious. But when you can make it from things you probably already have on hand, I mean, how many of us already keep mayonnaise and sour cream and milk or heavy cream or half and half in our fridge? And then it's just a matter of having the extra blue cheese that you can buy fresh and mix it all up. So what I want to do first is get all of the creamy components whisked together. Now you notice I did not use all the heavy cream. I'm going to save some back because I want it to be a certain consistency. This is still looking too thick for me. That's still a little ploppable. I'm going to add a little more of that. And I've used heavy cream because that's what I have on hand. You can use milk, you can use buttermilk, you can use half and half, depending on what you have, what you like. I'm going to go ahead and add the remainder, like tablespoon of heavy cream. I don't like it too thin, but I don't like it too thick either. Like I said, you make this to suit your own taste. I'm gonna add all of our seasoning, give this a good blend. Now right now, you have a really nice peppercorn house dressing, and you can stop right there. If you are not like a blue cheese lover, then you would stop right there. You tell me what you think of that. That's really good.
Need a little salt.
Needs more salt? Mm-hmm. Now, Rick says this needs more salt. If you want just the peppercorn dressing, creamy peppercorn dressing, you would stop here. But you would season it to your taste. I have held back on some of the salt because the blue cheese is very salty. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my blue cheese and give it a whisk. You can keep this in your fridge for up to a month. You can cut this recipe in half. You don't have to make as much as I did, but it whips up pretty quick. And I've used a lot of blue cheese in here. If you don't like that much, like I said, leave some out. And I'm mixing it and I'm kind of mashing it because I want that blue cheese to become a part of that cream base, but I don't want it to be completely smooth. Now I'm just gonna give it a turn with the spatula and call it good. That is how you make a creamy peppercorn blue cheese dressing that is restaurant worthy. Honestly, I don't think anybody is gonna complain about that. The blue cheese lover in your life is just going to be so happy. I'm gonna give this a good taste. Rick won't. That's really good. It's super creamy. It's just the right consistency for my taste. That blue cheese, such a flavor pop. This would be excellent served with hot wings, on a classic wedge salad, just about anything. I love blue cheese dressing drizzled over fresh slices of garden tomatoes, and to me there is nothing better. I got my dressing in a mason jar and it's ready to go. Just pop a lid on this and it'll stay in your fridge for up to a month. Super fresh, it'll be delicious. But if you have blue cheese lovers in your house, it's not gonna last very long anyway. I just went ahead and I made up a little bit of tomato and cucumbers in a bowl, and I'm just gonna kind of drizzle some of this on here. Remember, after you get the blue cheese mixed in, it is going to tighten things up a bit as well. So if you like it a little bit thinner than this even, make sure you add a little more milk or cream or half and half. It's up to you. But no matter what you do, it's going to be delicious. Oh, look at those giant pieces of blue cheese. Delicious. Like I said, tomato and blue cheese, one of my favorite combinations. That's all you need for a summer lunch. Oh my gosh, that's really, really good. So that's how you make creamy peppercorn blue cheese dressing. Super simple, super fast, and using things you probably already have in your fridge with the exception of the blue cheese. Give it a try. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please be sure and hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to my kitchen, you wandered on over to see what was going on, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends join me. Please be sure and hit the subscribe button. And as always, if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you will get a push notification on your smart device or an email in your inbox every time we upload a new video, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this creamy peppercorn blue cheese dressing a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.